a game that you can play with your friends. Your goal is to find out your Ghostbusters or something, and like invite peoples or your friends to play with. It is like Phasmophobia. Oh my god, I'm lagging. So it is like a Phasmophobia, the game Phasmophobia. You guys know about that? Like this one. Does this look familiar to you? Or this one? This is a game where you can play with your friends. A lot of things might happen. The ghost might hunt. You might get scared or something. Like that. You can play with your friends with this. And let me just find something. I'm gonna play this. Like, I literally have 9 hours on screen time playing this game. Demonology, of course. Orb. Where you that? That's an orb. That's a ghost orb. We need to put this here. Of course. We need something to, we need to find a ghost. That's our only rule. Find the ghost. Never mind, I'm scared. I'm all alone. I'm scared. I'm not going in there. Why am I lagging a lot, dude? Like, nah, I don't want. Let's just, oh yeah, anyways. This is like Phasmophobia where you can identify ghosts. And here are the options. There's also a swamp. And you have to click evidence. And then, if you find something like ghost orb, and guess what, and find 2 more hints like freezing temp or spirit box, it's gold. Click it once. Once it turns yellow, then you can go to your car now. Can we censor that, bro? What? We might get never mind. Let's just go. Let's go. I'm scared. Oh my god. Like that. You play it like that. Also, the monster is Skinwalker. Oh. So, that's the game. Bye.